Hey guys, so you see this mess on my head? It's crazy. So this is an old roller set. I let it get really dry and I'm going to show you guys how to revive it. You need some deep conditioner. I use my own, you use whichever you like. And you're going to need some shower caps. So before I start applying my deep conditioner, I like to section my hair off. Doing my hair in sections has been helpful for me along my journey. It just helps me manage my hair better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair off and I'm going to apply my deep conditioner to dry hair. Applying deep conditioner to dry hair helps your hair absorb all the nutrients that you get from your conditioner because our hair is extremely absorbent. And if you wet it first, it's going to absorb the water first, leaving less room for the conditioner to actually do its work. So I apply it to dry hair. I stand by this. I swear by this. You guys should try it. And I just apply it all over. Now it's time to sit under the dryer. I sat under the dryer for 30 minutes, and what this does is it allows the cuticles to lift, letting the conditioner do its job. All right, this next step is very important. When you're rinsing your hair out, make sure that you are detangling with a lot of care, especially if your hair was as tangled as mine. So I'm detangling here from the tip to the root, and you want to make sure that you twist it up in sections after. All right, so after rinsing and detangling and putting your hair in sections, like I said, I work with my hair in sections. It just works better for me. You're going to want to apply your favorite moisturizer. I use my own. And you moisturize your hair one section at a time, and then you twist it right back up. So I'm moisturizing the last section of my hair and smoothing it out, and I'm going to blow dry it. I'm going to blow dry my hair on a cool setting. You want to make sure that you always blow dry your hair on a cool setting. It takes some patience, but it's worth it. This was a cool trick I learned on how to get my ends straighter. Instead of having them curl up at the end, I just leave it in the Denman brush while I'm blow drying, and it comes out straight. So as you can see, my hair is still in sections, and I am just pinning them up because I'm getting ready to style. When styling your hair, you want to make sure that your hair is detangled before you put it in rollers, before you put it in twists. So you want to make sure that it's nice and smooth, and that's all I'm doing here. For this style, I'm using the Eco Styler alcohol-free gel. We don't want any alcohol drying out our hair, so make sure that your gel is alcohol-free. And I just use a little bit at a time because I personally don't like using a lot of product in my hair. So I am going to do a flat 2-strand twist all the way down. And this is also why it's important to make sure that your hair is nice and detangled and smooth, because when you go to take this down, it's gonna not cause a lot of frizz. When you get to the end, you want to smooth it out some more and pin one side of the twist back and apply your roller as I do here. You're going to want to do this all over. The parting is a personal preference. I just like to do the back, and then when I do the front, I do a really deep side part, and I continue with the flat 2-strand twists. And finally, you're finished. Well, at least for now. Do your little victory dance like I do here. Put on your satin cap and go to sleep. All right, so now it's morning. You're ready to take them down. Put some oil on your hands, please. Make sure your dry hands aren't touching your beautiful moisturized hair. Take your rollers down. You can see how pretty that curl is. And then you're going to undo your 2-strand twists and separate your curls. So here's an important lesson. I probably should have done a trim before I did all of this, because you see how it's a little tangled right there. I had that experience on a couple of those twists, more than I care to remember. But you want to be careful when it comes down to separating your curls, because you don't want to cause too much frizz. And if you have too many of those, it can cause a problem. What? Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, honey. Take out your pick. Pick it a little bit. I didn't want to pick it too much because it was already kind of frizzy, but take out your pick, fluff it up a little bit, style it however you like. But this is the finished product. I gotta say, it was a success. Let me know what you guys think. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Share it if you like. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.